Hello, babes. I'm here in my closet showing you how I outfit prep. Have you ever heard of meal prepping? It's called outfit prepping. Prep your whole meals for the week. Why don't we prep our whole outfits for the week? I am Casey, and welcome to Style School. I'm Casey, your fashion bestie. Give me a follow if you want unstoppable style confidence. Okay, I'm here. What are we doing? I have these racks in my closet and I have them. They're really picture racks. I'll link them in the description below. But they're picture racks that I hang in here to create my whole outfits for the week in about 30 minutes or less. Why do we do this? We do this because one, we're tired in the morning, and to think of an outfit is exhausting. And why not do it all at once for the whole week? Number two, I'm a mama. I usually get woken up by one of my kids needing me, and I roll out of bed, kind of pick whatever I can find up off the ground, and I put it on. Not ideal. Ideal for anybody who wants it that way. Not ideal for someone who loves to feel good about myself and loves to put on an outfit, even if it's a casual outfit, even if it's just this. But sometimes in the morning, I can't think of this, right? Also, why is it that when I do set my alarm to get up before my kids do so I could get ready, I swear they can sense it. They get up early too. And then I lose that time that I had planned to get ready in the morning. So this is a sure way that you will roll out of bed and know exactly what you are going to wear. And so let's see what I've gotten so far. Before I start, I check 3 things. First, my calendar, so I can see my schedule and know what kind of clothes I need. Second, the weather, so I can choose the appropriate type of clothes for the weather. And third, Pinterest or Instagram. My Pinterest and Instagram boards, my inspiration boards, those will give me all the ideas I need for the week. Going through my Pinterest right now. If you follow me, you know that the best way is to create a Pinterest board of outfits that you just feel and inspire you. And when you look through, you don't try to buy what they have, you just try to emulate an outfit, right? So what I saw was this one. It's a skirt. And yeah, I'm not doing the same exact top because also it's summer and so it's really hot, but it inspired me to do a mini skirt with a clean top. So I thought, oh, mini skirts. I got this mini skirt out and then also a clean top. This is obviously not one that is in the picture, and I'm not trying to copy. I'm just trying to emulate. I'm trying to get ideas from here, not quite copies. So the idea is to just get inspiration. What inspiration means, it can be very close to the same outfit. It can be nothing like the same outfit, but it triggered your mind of something in your closet, right? So that's what it did. Triggered my mind that I had this top, very clean. I like the idea of a jean skirt, clean top, added a pop of color with a green hat. These picture hooks come with these S hooks that you can hang your accessories that you're thinking about. Jibs. If you don't know about jibs yet, these are my favorite shoes. No, I don't make money from them, but it is my way of feeling dressed up when I still want to be in tennis shoes. Jibs, Jibs. I will link it in the description below. I just love them so much. And I own 3 pairs now, and they are my go-to. So anyways, this was my outfit number 1. Number 2, I am headed out to dinner with my girlfriends later this week. It's also blazing hot, so I couldn't wear pants for this day. So I saw this picture, and this picture has jeans, a bandeau, a vest, and I just took the inspiration and was like, okay, I have some sort of vest in my closet. I found this. It's a longer vest. Nothing like the picture, but got inspired by it. And I have not worn that for probably like a couple years. And I'm so excited that I'm pulling it out of my closet to recreate a new outfit. Then I thought, okay, I'll go a casual tank in a color that makes a little contrast here. Instead of jeans, I'm going to do a distressed short. And then to pump it up a little bit, I'm going to do these white booties. Hot outside, but not a reason not to get dressed up. So that is what I created from my Pinterest board. Then with this outfit, I saw this top and I decided, you know what? I haven't worn this in so long. Let's start here. If you follow me for a while, you'll know that one of my other getting dressed techniques is start with the items least worn. That's what I call it. Start with the items least worn. You know, normally we go for the things that we have been wearing a lot lately, the outfits we know look good. But I like to start with something that hasn't been worn for a while. So this hasn't been worn for a while. I pulled it out and I was like, okay, let's start here. So I didn't have my Pinterest board for this one. I just kind of started like thinking what else could go with something like this. It's a very sweet top. So you might think, oh, let's pair it with something more sweet also, like white slacks or a skirt, which obviously amazing, do that. But for this occasion, I wanted to bring a little more style in, which for me, style sometimes means juxtaposition, and that's pairing two unlikely things together. So in my head, since this is sweet, I want to go a little more rugged. So I went with some distressed pants to kind of create a juxtaposition. As I was hanging this up, I was like, wait a minute. If we do go along the sweeter route and we feel like it one day, this top and this skirt would actually go really well together. And in that case, I take a picture and I put it in my outfit inspiration folder. Hold up, I don't call this one my inspiration folder. I call it my what to wear folder. It'll make sense in a second. You should keep a photo folder in your phone of outfits you have either worn before or ideas that you have that come in your head. And that's different than your pin creation board. That's different than your Instagram board. That's ones that you have worn before and are your go-to outfits. So then I took a picture of this and put it in my what to wear outfit. So maybe next week I could pull that up and make this pairing together. So here's the whole lineup. I put my accessories there. I put my shoes at the bottom. It saves me so much time in the morning, so much stress, and I feel way more put together. What usually takes me 30 minutes every morning now takes me 30 minutes for 5 outfits on a Sunday night. It is the best. It's also so important to do this because you can see the patterns of what you're wearing. And if you're wearing too much of the same thing in one week, not that it matters, but if you want variety, then you can see, oh, well, I want to add a little more sleekness this day and then a little more alternative this day. And you can see the pattern of your week just by doing this. Like for instance, I'm seeing a lot of denim that I have for this week, like denim bottoms. And in case, it doesn't really bother me right now, but in case I was feeling like, I don't want to do this much denim, I could take out some of the denim and put maybe a slack short in there, a skirt, or something else if I was feeling that it needed more variety. Another thing is to prep. You do this, you can also add all your accessories and steam everything. We don't have time to steam in the morning, so steam all your stuff, keep it hanging, and it will be wrinkle-free until you decide to wear it. If you don't have a steamer, it is one of my saving graces to not have to use an iron, and it steams out wrinkles so quick. I will link some of my favorites below. I have this one, I have a few others that I suggest, and I will link them in the description below. You can also use just a curtain rod. You can install a curtain rod into your closet and that will work just as great. So don't forget, get the racks, get the curtain rod, get the steamer, get all your tools to help you have a stress-free morning. This is a game changer. Just like you meal prep, outfit prep, you will wake up, be able to throw something on, and you will be good to go. If you want more style confidence, hit subscribe below. Follow me. I have tips and tips and tips to give you. And good luck with everything. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Until next time.